Today, I'm going to share with you my thoughts on the jumbo. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my thoughts on the ChanelJumbo Classic Flap, what fits inside, and how I style or wear it. 2 months ago, I did an unboxing of this handbag after I purchased it from the Chanel boutique in Hong Kong. I didn't do a reveal video at the time, a proper reveal, because I was so excited to unbox it. Now, it's time for me to share with you the bag up close. This is my ChanelJumbo Classic Flap. It's in caviar leather with gold hardware. At the back, there is one pocket where I put my receipts or parking tickets. This can also be used for cell phones, but I don't normally do that because I don't want to stretch the leather that much. The CC clasp here is with plastic yet, so let's open. This is the flap. By the way, guys, this is only a cloth. I didn't remove it intentionally because I wanted to wait for this video and keep it afterwards. I'm going to use another bag so that this won't be abused. Anyway, now in here there is a secret pocket. They said that Coco Chanel used to hide her love letters in here. There's also a pocket inside here and another pocket in here where I put my cell phone. And then there are, this is hard for me, there are 2 small compartments with a lipstick holder there, and the burgundy leather is so luxurious. There is a CC logo here. I don't know if you can see it. It says Chanel made in Italy, and the burgundy leather goes all the way down inside. So it's time for me to show you what fits inside the bag. This is my transparent pouch where I put my basic essentials. I have a sanitizer, wipes, a small bottle of perfume, my dental floss, a loose powder, my medicines, my cuticle oil for my nails, and a Chanel lipstick, another lipstick here, Tom Ford. What else? I think this is it. So let's put this one inside. There. Now I have here my pressed powder or finishing powder. It's Berlin. Now my coin purse and my Chanel wallet. I can also use this LV wallet, but if I want a small one, I can just choose this. And I can also include my eyeglasses. I am a nearsighted person because, I don't know, I just use these every time I drive at night. Well, this is also my blotting paper. I can put it in one of the pockets. So, I think this is it for the bag. I am not the type of person who would put many things inside the bag. As it is, this is a little heavy. So I just put whatever I need. Now, I'm going to show you how I style or wear this bag. So guys, if you have questions, comments, or suggestions about the video, please write down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video. Bye!